Jane is a young girl who is a hardworking student. She always has a busy schedule every day. She wakes up at 6 a.m. and starts her day with a healthy breakfast. After breakfast, she takes a shower and gets dressed for school. Jane's school is a 20-minute walk from her house. So she leaves at 7 a.m. sharp to make sure she is on time for her first class. She spends her morning in school. Attending classes and completing assignments. At 12 p.m., she has lunch and spends some time with her friends before her afternoon classes. After school, Jane returns home and starts her homework. She takes a break in the evening to have dinner with her family and spend some quality time with them. Afterwards, she continues working on her homework until 9 p.m. Before going to bed, she sets aside some time to read a book or watch an episode of her favorite TV show as a way to relax. And unwind before going to sleep. Jane's daily routine is demanding, but she is disciplined and organized, which helps her to balance her schoolwork and personal life. She always makes sure to get enough sleep so she can wake up refreshed and ready for the next day's activities. Subscribe for more videos.